Hi guys, Chef 𝗚𝗶𝘀𝗶 here and welcome to Dowell's 12 Days of Christmas Recipes. Masarap, madali, at syempre affordable. Kaya tara, tutuin na natin. Kung gusto niyo ng ulam na creamy at spicy at pang special occasion na dating, ito ang gising-gising stuffed chicken rolls. Imagine niyo yung kilalang gulay dish na gising-gising pero naka-stuff sa juicy chicken breast. Syempre, we'll be using our Dowell 𝗚C25TC induction cooker para mabilis at hassle-free ang luto. Okay, our first step, season our chicken with some salt. Very important to season your meats. Meron din tayong black pepper. Alright. Make sure to coat both sides. Very important. Huwag isang side lang. Salt. And our black pepper again. Okay, now let's do our filling. Your oil. We can now add our onions. Onions natin.
Garlic naman. So just a few seconds before we add our ground pork.
And now, add your ground pork.
Syempre, gamit ang Dowell 𝗚C25TC induction cooker, mabilis uminit at consistent ang heat, kaya sure talaga evenly cook yung pork natin.
Okay, now time to chop our Baguio beans. Of course, I'll be using my Dowell mini chopper.
Ayan.
Sara natin siya. And blitz.
Okay, next step is adding our Baguio beans to our pork. Ayan. Ganda ng kulay, oh. And now we can also add yung labuyo natin. Ayun, oh. Extra kick ang hang. And of course, that will bring the dish to next level, yung gata.
Okay, step 3. Now we'll putting our gising-gising into our chicken. Stuff natin siya. So get a good amount. Ayan. Alright. Roll natin siya. Gently. Don't worry kung lumabas yung filling nyo. Ayan. Kukuha tayo ng toothpick. Maybe 2. Para ma-secure siya. Alright. Next step, mag-sear naman tayo.
Add your oil to your pan. Okay, now let's sear our chicken. Yan, para maging golden brown siya. Para masarap tingnan at syempre juicy ang loob. Of course, thanks to the Dowell 𝗚C25TC induction cooker. Talagang yung heat kontrolado, hindi sa sobra, at hindi ko kulang. Okay, our chicken looks perfect. Ayun, no? Golden brown. Talagang perfect yung luto with Dowell's induction cooker. Kunin na natin.
Yan. Alright.
Siyempre, yung sauce natin, yung gising-gising. Sobrang sarap nito.
Put a bit of sauce on top. Yan. Siyempre, let's see what's inside. At ayan, tapos na ang gising-gising stuffed chicken rolls, juicy chicken, creamy spicy filling na talagang party-worthy presentation. Panalo sa family dinners at kahit sa mga special gatherings. At syempre, made easier with Dowell 𝗚C25TC induction cooker, fast, efficient, reliable sa kahit anong luto. Ako si Chef 𝗚𝗶𝘀𝗶 wishing all of you a Merry Christmas and remember, life's easier and mas masarap with Dowell.